Deco is so fun. So I love fun. One of the things that I think is really important is that we have smiles and laughs every single day. What we are doing here is we want employees to be satisfied. We want to challenge them when they come to work. We want them to be engaged. And our culture is one of safety, security, meeting their basic needs of a paycheck, but also what else can we do with them? Where else can we help them grow in their career and, be internally promoted into a new position and build up their skill sets and do education and training throughout their time that they're here at Deco. We teach them how to think critically on a daily basis. We include them in meetings and on committees that are into working on problems that we solve on a daily basis. It really helps grow that employee and helps them be engaged in their daily work at Deco and challenges them and makes them have a rewarding career here.
Deco brings an extremely can-do attitude to every job that we look at. And the belief is that by combining all of the best of our management team and our engineers together, there is no problem we can't solve and nothing that we can't resolve proactively or in response to a situation that comes up. Often customers will have changes that they need, but that's when all the expertise and all the success that we can bring to that can help mitigate those problems.
Deco's company culture is really based on a balance of our legacy, of our expertise. We were founded in 1960, but balancing that with innovative solutions. We know we have strong systems, we know we have great legacy and inertia to build from, but we need to invest, and we do invest every year on new equipment, new training for our excellent work staff, and that is an important part of our culture.